I want to tell you, you husbands out there, you men out there, you boyfriends out there, mwache ujinga, mwache kuwa body shame your wives, your girlfriends, your sisters. Encourage them, motivate them, join them, pay their gym fee. Hey guys, how are you doing? How do I look, guys? I made this wig by myself. It's a frontal, and you see, yeah, sijeka glue, and I'm loving it, guys. So, how are you? How are you doing? Hope you all are doing great. I can go kitchen. Let me not touch the hair. Let me just do something to eat. And so, how are you doing? See me, guys. Body girls noisy. Nasikianga watu wakisema this thing does not work, and I don't know. For me, when I was doing modeling, it was working because I used the black one yenye navaa hivi kama koti, then na wrap on my stomach. And this one, for me, I'm wearing it because I want to start learning how to tuck in my stomach even without a belt. So I don't want to be like leaving my stomach free, relaxed. I have to start tucking in my stomach even when I'm walking. My stomach should be inside. Do you understand what I mean? Did I tell you I've been working out? Yeah, guys. But today I want to teach you how to make the peanut njugu, yeah. How to make the peanut, not the butter, but the peanut. How to cook the peanut the easiest way. That is if you have a microwave. And if you don't have a microwave, you can use an oven. And if you don't have an oven, you can use a jiko or a gas and a sufuria. But this one, if you have a microwave, my friend, you will regret why you never knew this method earlier. So let's get into it as I tell you how I've been working out. So as I was saying, guys, here are my peanuts, and they are raw. So the first thing we are going to do, tutazichagua, okay? Yes. So tachukua kidogo of this, not too much. I'm craving for the peanuts. Yes, this one is enough. See, guys. So you pick the spoiled ones like this. You pick them. Then I'll show you the next step. So as I'm picking them, let me tell you, guys. As you know, guys, or as you don't know, I'm getting old. I look like 16. But I'm old, guys. I'm turning 30 this year. Like, I'm scared. That number seems scary. So our njugu is done. Nimeshizichagua. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take this kabakuli and then I will pour them here. Yeah. Alafu niteka maji. Yes. Uneka maji hivyo. Then you take your salt, okay? Yeah. Usiweke kadogo, uneka mingi. Ndio isokini vizuri. Yeah? Yes. So, ukishaweka chumvi, you take your spoon and you mix it. Then let it settle for 5 minutes. Ndio hiyo chumvi iingie ndani kwa njugu vizuri through the water, okay? Yeah. The reason my husband chose to support me and coach me and train me and give me that motivation is because I'm very weak, and he really wants me to be a strong woman on my 30s, my 40s, and my 50s, going onward. Mali Mungu atapenda. You know, the more you give birth to babies, the more your body will never remain the same again. The more you never go back to the way you were before. And like when I gave birth to my firstborn, I got very weak. My bones, my back, my legs, like my life changed. I've never been the same again. I would even go to hospital because of my back pains, the joints, and the doctors will send me to take the calcium test, and finally they will end up giving me the calcium medicines because I also don't have enough calcium. With my second born also, nimekuwa tu hivyo. Hata when I got pregnant for the second time, I was very weak, so I was not even ready. I had not prepared my body very well. So that's when nilianza kukimbia, but nika give up on the hapo katikati because I did not have motivation. Nilikuwa nakimbia peke yangu, na boeka, narudi na mkanga 6 kukimbia, so nikaacha. So my husband saw that it's good to help me and also help himself help me. Am I making sense? Yani anataka nikuwe in shape, I know, for him. Then in shape for him, and also he want me to be fit, physically fit. He want me to be old kimwili. And yet I'm not that old, you know. I'm turning 30, and alikuwa nasema when you get to 30 and above with your old body and you're not doing anything about it, it will be so hard for you to go back to the body that you wish to have, or to go back to your younger body that you had. Of course, you can maintain your younger body even after giving birth. That is if you focus and if you keep working out. These methods za kutumia madawa and what manzi, they can mess you big. So you rather go the natural way, okay? Check your diet and do the exercise. You know, I may have done 2 major surgeries, and for you to recover, you need to work out. And when you work out, muscles get stronger, za tumbo zinashikana, you know. Don't worry about this one. People say it does not work, but for me nimefunga ndo niweze kutakin the stomach, niweze kujitrain kutakin the stomach, and after nimeishika poa, I don't need this cause nitenda kama nimetakin the stomach, and that one will also help my stomach go back to shape, okay? Juu after CS kinapakingi kama maji, you know, the stomach. The muscles are not strong anymore, and as I continue working out, for now I'm not doing stomach exercises. I'm just doing the legs and the running, okay? And the running exercises. I'm still preparing my body for the other main exercises, you know, the hand, the leg, the back, the stomach. Yeah, for now I started with running, and I will do that for some weeks. Yeah, yes. So manzi, my husband is really helping me, and nampendea hapo. It's not like some men when wanakuambianga wewe ni mkubwa, umeongeza weight, unakula sana, sijui nini, and they are not giving you a solution. Wanakuambia fanya tizi, unafanya siku kadhaa, unaboeka, unachoka, unasema tutakuwa mwili ingine mpya binguni. I still need to slay this body before I die, man. So manzi, I'm so thankful to him for coming through, because kama angeni motivate, I really never wanted to continue with the body that I have. Tumbo ni kubwa. Alafu, apart from having that nice body, I also want to be physically fit. You know, nataka nikuwe fit na healthy. Nataka ugonjwa ikikuja, I don't have to take medicine like cold, you know, like small things, I can overcome it because my immune will be strong. Okay, so I'm so happy and glad that he came through and that he does not body shame me. He also appreciate he is always appreciating me and my body, and he's always supporting me. And like sai nakwambia guys, nipeni tu some view. Hata unajua mambo ya exercise itakangi kukimbizwa, so give me some few months, you'll see that model he used to know before giving birth to these kids. Yes, manze, tuwekeni njugu kwa oven. It is kwa microwave, I mean. Let me show you. Sijui kama unaona zimesoak, maji imesoak. And what we are going to do, unachukua sahani ya glass kaulo, you take this type of nini. Remember, you don't put plastic on a microwave, okay? You just put this kaulo one, the glass one, okay? I'm going to put these ones here. Like, let me just drain the water. My hands are clean. Yeah, here we are. So I'm spreading them. Yes, you see. And then we will take them to the oven. For me, I always put I always put them until 8 minutes or 9 minutes. They will be ready. But at 4 minutes, you make sure you turn them. You open the microwave, then you turn them so that they can cook both sides, okay? Yes, so then after you turn them at 4 minutes, you wait until 8 minutes, okay? Yes, so let's put it in the microwave. Shit, imepita, but it is okay. Unakaa poa. Usidhani ati tumbo imetakin juu ya hii. My stomach, by the way, irudi haraka after CS. As you are told, take a lot of liquids, okay? A lot of liquids, they will help you. And make sure you are laying down, unalala hivi. Tumbo itarudi tu yenye, itaanza kurudi yenyewe. Hata kama itarudi kabisa, at least your stomach will not remain like the way you are when you are pregnant. See guys, this is my stomach. Oh, I feel relieved. See me. Bado niko na katumbo, ni kadogo, si kubwa, but I don't like it. Mi sijazoea kukuwa na tumbo, so I like flat tummy because my dressing is different. I love dressing in open clothes. I love leaving the gap here on my stomach, and right now I cannot do that because my stomach is still dark from the pregnancy. Okay, it is changing the color, it is going back to its normal color, but not yet kabisa. I need like 6 months for it to go back to my other body color. Yeah, yatakuwa darkish. Okay, so you see guys, a mother of two. Yeah, niko pia na mataya kidogo, but easy. I will work on them very soon. Yeah, see. Ukipatana na mimi wezi sema niko na watoto. Yeah, so guys, hata tugoje njugu zetu ziive. Mi sina story mingi. I want to tell you, you husbands out there, you men out there, you boyfriends out there, mwache ujinga, mwache kuwa body shame your wives, your girlfriends, your sisters. Encourage them, motivate them, join them, pay their gym fee, and wafanyishwe exercise kama una time ama kama uwezi. And if you have free time, actually hata mkikimbia somewhere for 15 minutes Mnaamka 5 ama 6, unakimbia for 15 minutes ama less. We bora tu mwili ikuwe active, si kange tu nde. Imagine urudi uoge na uende kazi, hapo utamsaidia. Ama jioni after work, si kila siku naambia umenona. Sasa mtu amekuzalia watoto warembo hapo kwa nyumba, unawaona unasema ni watoto wangu, andia tu ni wa kwanza kumbody shame, unasema amenona, unaanza kuadmire wenye wajazaa bado. Ni kama wakizaa unafikiria wata change hizo body zao. So you guys, hiyo ni ujinga na mwache kabisa kabisa. You have to respect us women. Carrying a baby for 9 months, unamzaa, the postpartum depression, stress, nini. You need to support this woman. Hata yeye mwenyewe feel kwa body yake imeharibika akikuzalia. Actually si lazima. So the only good thing you can do ni kumsupport hata arudi mwili yake, apate the confidence again, enjoy kuvangwa alikuwa anavaa, asikuwa ati amepata watoto sasa hivyo ndio wamebeat. Maze, check yourself. Nanyi madem, msikubali kubeat after kupata watoto. Ati jumu kama ku encourage actually. Ukitengeneza mwili, let him be jealous kabisa. Akwe jealous kabisa. Juu akusupport na kusaidia. Hata ni advice. Mimi ni kwa advice ndo advice vibaya. Acha tu niache. So guys, it is at 4:19 whatever. Okay, let's see it is just at 4, so tunataka to turn ndio iende ikimaliza. Kuna chumvi libaki, but ukitoa maganda itatoka. Now this holding camera for myself, they are halfway cooked. So kia watoto nimewaacha sit room wakiwatch. My daughter started sitting down, so amekaa. And sitaki akae for long cause ndiye anaanza. She's just 4 months. And my son is watching, and I'm scared of leaving them together because my son has started beating her sister. You know he's still jealous. Okay, then it continues. I wanted them to cook for 8 minutes, so 8 to minus this 1 minute. Okay, so that they can be 8, nilieka 9. So in 1, 2, 3, it's done. You see, ningeendelea zingeungua. Unasikia venye, you feel the way they are nini, they are hot. You have to, after that, you'll take them out of your microwave, then you let them settle for some few minutes. Then when they are still hot, so they are not supposed to. What is it, mama? They are still hot, so we have to let them cool for some few minutes, and then they are ready to eat. So guys, after some 3 to 5 minutes, they are ready. So guys, that's how we make peanut in the best, easiest way at home. Thank me later, guys. You know, I always save your lives. So bye bye, guys. Let me see you next time on our next video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share. Okay, don't worry about this salt. It does not get inside. Okay.